Kimi is a powerful, all-in-one Chinese large language model. It doesn't just excel at content writing, it also codes, debugs, and fixes programs efficiently. The brand new K2.6 version is even stronger. It delivers stable long text outputs, clear logic, and can instantly generate reports, copy, and programming work in one click. Today, you don't need advanced tech skills. With just a few simple steps, you can call its API and easily generate 2,000-word content automatically. This is not clickbait. I use Kimi to finish a full 2,000-word report in only 3 seconds. Using the Kimi K2.6 API is much simpler than most people think. I'll break down the 4 steps behind those 3 seconds. You don't need to master Python, and you don't need prior API knowledge. Just follow along, and you'll get it working immediately. Step 1. Install Python. You must use Python 3.12. Older or newer versions often cause errors. I use ServBay. Go to the Packages section. Find Python 3.12, click Install, and wait for it to finish. After installation, verify the version to confirm. Step 2. Set up PyCharm. Open PyCharm. Go to Settings, Project, Python Interpreter. Click Add Interpreter, and select the Python 3.12 path you just installed. Then open the terminal at the bottom and run. Plain text. Pip install, open A, press enter, and wait for installation to complete. Step 3. Get your Kimi API key. Go to the official Kimi website and log in. Enter the API platform. Click Create New API Key and copy the generated key. It only appears once, so don't lose it. Step 4. Run the code in PyCharm. Create a new Python file in PyCharm. For example, Kimi_API_call.py. Paste the code, then insert your API key, right-click the file, and select Run. If you see Kimi's response in the terminal, you've successfully connected. The 2 most important points. Use Python 3.12. Paste your API key correctly. If you get these 2 right, it will almost always work on the first try.